All right, so you are down on slide number 5 right now. Here is what an idiom is. Okay, I want you to type this while you're listening to this video. Okay, an idiom is a phrase that does not mean what does not mean um, says. I want to make sure that the sentence was not confusing. A phrase that does not mean what it says. Okay, so it's a phrase of a bunch of words kind of put together that we use in our everyday language that doesn't literally mean what it sounds like. Okay, and so if you did watch those 2 videos on slide number 4, you can see one of them is when pigs fly. All right, a lot of people say that. A lot of parents say that when they're trying to say like that is something that's never going to happen. I remember when I was growing up, and I asked for a Wii when I was in like middle school, and my parents said, "Oh yeah, we'll get you a Wii when pigs fly." And that was how I knew that it was never going to happen because pigs will never fly. They can't grow wings. They can't fly around. Right? Does not literally mean that my parents are waiting on the day. They're looking at the news like, "Oh man, I wonder if the pigs flew today." Once the pigs fly, then we'll buy uh, a Wii. That's not what it literally means. So that's an idiom. Okay. So down here below, slide number 6, then slide number 7. What you're going to be doing is you're going to read these sentences here. Underlined is the idiom, so over the moon. It does tell you what that idiom means. So when we say that idiom in our normal language, what that means when somebody says that, and then you are going to tell me kind of you're going to write your own sentence using that idiom right there. Okay, so that first one, Shayla. I don't know why it says Shayla. It's not our Shayla. It's just a random Shayla. Shayla was over the moon when she saw her report card. Okay? That means that this person was very happy. They were overjoyed. And so now you're going to tell me something when you feel over the moon. All right. So, for instance, I feel over the moon when I see my family. I'm very happy when I see my family. Okay. So you'll use that exact same idiom that is in the sentence, just with your own life. Okay. Um, on these 2 slides here, I will be on GoGuardian if you have any questions. There's one last video that I'm going to post here on slide number 8 for the last 2 slides to kind of help you out there. So just make sure you watch that one before you move on.